Hold on to your horses, honey buns, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. From Rana Daggubati giving us reasons to smile by making his engagement official, to Nawazuddin Siddiqui's wife making her Twitter debut to tell her side of the story, to a possible love triangle brewing. We've got all the scoop and naughty deeds, so stick around. Pop the bubblies and bring out the cake because we've got an engagement to celebrate. Rana Daggubati made his engagement to Mihika Bajaj official. The man of everyone's dreams shared some gorgeous photos from the ceremony that look like a perfect start to a fairy tale romance. For those who want to know what love looks like, take a good long look at these photos. Congratulations, cuties! Not all romances have that fairy tale ending, and Nawazuddin Siddiqui's wife Alia demanding a divorce is proof. Days after sending shockwaves through the industry by announcing the end of her marriage, Alia has joined microblogging site Twitter to clarify her stand in the matter. "I am now learning to stand up and speak for myself, be strong for the sake of my children," she said in her first post. Putting out a stern warning to all her estranged husband's fans, she also said that she doesn't appreciate anyone harming her reputation or character to save someone else. Take it from a bee, that one's sure to sting. Long before there was a deep feed, actress Deepika Padukone has come clean on her crush and has revealed that she had been puckering up and kissing another hunk goodnight. Before you let your imagination run wild, our bees overheard DP confessing that she loves Hollywood actor Leonardo DiCaprio so much that she and her little sis would always make it a point to kiss him goodnight every night before bed. Oh well, Deepika, hope you are still wishing upon those stars because you never know when you may just run into the man himself. Speaking of childhood crushes, Bollywood study buddies Vicky Kaushal and Malvika Mohanan are back in the headlines, all thanks to their cute banter on social media. The two, who have long been rumored to be in a low-key relationship until a certain cat showed up, were back to their playful ways when the beauty shared a picture of mouth-watering fish fry on the menu and showed Vicky all that he was missing. "Hi" was all the hunk could say while he drooled over the tempting sight. This banter got our bees rooting for a good old love triangle. What's with all these beautiful people always denying dating rumors anyway? Their history still remains a mystery, so let's just leave you with this fun Thursday trivia. Did you know that Rekha dubbed for the actresses who played Amitabh Bachchan's wives in Suryavansham? Yes, you heard that right. Our bees were doing a little reading when they found this priceless piece about the film, directed by Telugu filmmaker EVV Satyanarayana. The movie starred actors from the South industry and needed their dialogues dubbed in Hindi. So Rekha stepped in to lend her voice for not one, but two characters. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for our next episode of Bollybuzz, where we promise to bring you the best of Bollywood. Bye-bye.